These are the elevators at the Rick Thomas parking garage and the Lowth Entrepreneurship Center at University of Tampa in Tampa, Florida. Let's go up to 8. This elevator doesn't serve floor 3 due to the layout of the building. Let's go back down to 1. We'll send that one up and get the other elevator. There's a map right here. Buttons are on the other side. Let's go to 8. Let's end the video down at 1. It's pretty nice elevators. Installed during an expansion of the garage that included the Entrepreneurship Center at the top. Floors 1 and 2 may actually be on the taller side, and they just built the garage floor 4 on top of this section of the building's floors 1 and 2. Anyway, that'll be it.